Let's make Cajun chicken pasta. Cut 1 red bell pepper into strips like that. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Half a cup of diced onion. Half a cup of shredded Parmesan. 2.5 cups of penne pasta. 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. 4 ounces of cream cheese. 2 cups of chicken broth. 2 tablespoons of oil. 1/3 of cup of water. 1 pound of chicken breasts cut into inch pieces. Next part you want to do is slap the chicken. That wasn't slap. 1 teaspoon of Cajun on the chicken. We are going to heat the oil in the pan. Probably at a 7 or 6. And put your oil. Do not drop it. Don't do that, guys. You hear me? Cook your onions for 3 minutes. There we go.
Until soft, right?
Yeah, until soft. Add the chicken to the pan and cook till brown. This is definitely my hands. This is what brown looks like, kind of a golden brown. Add the garlic to your chicken, the golden chicken. Cook about 1 minute. Add your uncooked pasta. Woo! Your chicken broth, I think it's called. You should hear that sounds. Water. And the sliced peppers, obviously. And then, last but not least, the rest of your seasoning. Stir and bring it to a boil. Simmer for about 22 minutes. Kind of like this. Put on a lid that fits.
And we're gonna lower the heat. What are you doing?
If there's extra water, cook it for about another 5 minutes. And yeah.
Until the water's gone, but it looks good.
Ours
looks
looks
like it's
good.
ready. Okay, go ahead.
The next thing, you want to add cream cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Then get your shredded cheese and move it around.
And we're going to remove this from the heat. And stir until melted.
This is what the finished product looks like. It's really gooey. That's why you guys should make it. Here it is. Pretty good. Definitely try it.